Nordic network of challengers, doers, thinkers, and pioneers who are curious about shaping a circular future.
We wanted to gather experts and stakeholders along the whole value chain to make them co-create what a future scenario of a fully circular e-commerce might look like, how we can achieve that desired scenario, and who else needed to be involved. And the focus was all the time to get to action. We had 10 facilitators from the Loop team to lead the group discussions, and we used digital whiteboards to gather input and ideas. The Loop team worked behind the scenes to summarize and refine all the input. We made sure to bring fuel into each session. For the first session, we had prepared inspirational videos about circular business models, a product journey, as well as a customer journey for the e-commerce. And these worked as frameworks for a circular mindset. Based on the input on the question, what might a circular e-commerce look like, we created a future scenario that was read as a story.
At the same time in Oslo Central Station, Lisa hurries to pick up the package she ordered yesterday. Since Oslo have a car-free zone in the central parts of the city, the package was delivered by a transfer bicycle to the pickup box at the central station.
The design team deep dived into the ideas to find the most promising ones. We chose 6 ideas that we refined. Track and trace was one. It was traceability and the history of a product that is a precondition for circularity. We also had re-rend, which is the reusable delivery package. So the concepts were presented to the participants. Then we worked in groups to identify what's hindering us from realizing these concepts, what superpowers do we have in the group as an enabler, and also who else needs to be involved. Well, in 2021, we will further develop some of the ideas. They will be tested, iterated, and scaled on the market in order to actually build circularity into the e-commerce boom.